Well guys, I am back at the boat, and I didn't mention it before, but the new carburetor has arrived. So now the job is to install, take out the old one, put on the new one, get it started, and let's listen to that noise that it has me worried, and then determine if I need to take out the heads or do I need to take out the whole block. All right, so I'm gonna get down there, take it out, and then install the new one, and I'll show that when it's done later. Okay, so the carburetor's in. It's a rebuilt model, but it looks new. I put a little bit of gas in the carburetor, and I installed the gauge because I'm curious to see how much the pump is pumping. If the pump is pumping more than 5, it will cause a problem. So I'll put the gauge on there. Let's see what happens. No, I'm putting the gas in. Woo! That's a backfire. Yeah, I know. Well, it looks like the pump is pumping 5 pounds, which is good. Now the problem is the backfiring. So I'm gonna need my 2 hands for this. Could be that the heads are damaged, I don't know. I have to get it running so I can hear that noise and determine what to do. All right guys, later. Okay, so it runs rough. I haven't connected the throttle yet. I'm doing it by hand. So I gotta see, there's a noise coming out of the exhaust. So we'll see. Let me see if I can get it going again. And the pump only pumps 5 pounds. So I thought it was pumping 9, maybe 10. So 5 is perfect. All right. Okay, so now I gotta put water in the radiator, because when I dismantle the hoses, there was a lot of spillage, so I gotta fill this up. Yeah, there's some pressure there, but there's no water. All right, let me see, where's that the jug. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so the carburetor works. The pump is pumping good. So now there's a linkage missing from the carburetor that attaches. I gotta get that piece into the new carburetor so I can attach the throttle. So okay, the engine runs. Now the next step is to get a mechanic. I got the number of a new mechanic to bring him down here. He can listen to the noise of the engine, and he can determine with the experience he's got, he should know what it is. And then if he says, well, the valves are stuck or whatever, but I checked the valves and to me they seem okay. But I'm not an expert. I pound them and they bounce, so nothing stuck, but you never know. Maybe a rod, or I checked some rods here on this side, and there's no problem with the rods either. And this is the one that gave me a weird, this side gave me a weird, kind of thing. All right, so I'm just gonna finish up putting it together, and that's it for today. I got my wife here with the dog. We're gonna do a little walking, have some lunch. Okay, the engine's running, but it's running rough. The carburetor looks good, everything works, the choke is working, the pump is putting 5 pounds. On the money, can't beat that. So, all right, see you on the next one.